The biggest concern about food has always been its taste, safety, and its nutritive value. Milk has traditionally been understood as the most nutritive, safe, healing, and growth boosting food of all time. Today, I welcome Ms. Payal Day, who is an expert from the Mitra SK Food and Environmental Testing Laboratory, which is one of the best and most sophisticated in the entire country. Payal, my first question to you is milk really as good as we think, or is it a myth?
Yes, milk is the most beneficial drink for human growth and development, as it is rich in calcium. And apart from bone forming calcium, milk also have vitamin A, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and some minerals like zinc, potassium, magnesium, and some high quality proteins containing essential amino acid. However, it can still have some harmful bacteria that can be dangerous for human health.
So, how can milk be made safer for consumption? Because, as you know, after COVID-19, we have become extremely careful about our health and the safety of food.
Basically, that is through pasteurization. Actually, raw milk is the milk that has not been pasteurized to kill harmful bacteria. Raw milk can carry some harmful germs like Campylobacter, Listeria, Salmonella, Brucella, Cryptosporidium, etc. And these harmful germs can affect serious illness if we consumed. That's why pasteurization is very much important.
But sometimes we hear that raw milk is better about nutritional value, that is, that raw materials nutritional value is more than pasteurized milk. Is it true?
No, multiple studies have shown that pasteurization does not seriously affect the nutritional quality of milk.
Okay.
Even scientists do not have any evidences that shows better nutritional quality in raw milk.
So you're saying that having pasteurized milk is better than having raw milk. What is pasteurization after all?
Actually, pasteurization is the process of heating each and every particles of milk at 63 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes or 72 degrees centigrade for 15 seconds or any approved temperature time combination. And immediately after pasteurization, milk is invariably cooled to 5 degrees centigrade or below.
So after pasteurization, are we 100% sure that the milk is safe for consumption?
No, actually, that's why WHO has warned that to take milk, if we take adulterated milk, life-threatening diseases can happen within few years. That's why FSSI, authorized government body in India, has put several guidelines in place and create some quality and safety parameters to be tested. That is why it is safe for human consumption. However, milk can also be unsafe if it is adulterated.
Since you spoke about milk adulteration, can you please tell us what is adulteration?
Actually, milk adulteration is the process of degrading milk quality intentionally, either adding some inferior substances or by removing some valuable ingredients from this. That is basically known as adulteration. And for milk, it is done to increase the quantity of milk and to make profit illegally.
So, what can be the most common adulterants that could be mixed with milk?
Some of the most common adulterants are water, urea, starch, detergent, like that. And suppose if anybody add water in the milk, So water can decrease the nutritional quality of milk. If high amount of starch is present in milk, that it may cause diarrhea. So actually different adulteration has different adverse effect and deteriorating the quality of milk.
Well, how can this adulteration be detected?
Actually, in our laboratory, we are regularly doing the adulteration testing of adulteration testing parameter of milk as per the standard method. But for public home people, they can also test their milk is good or not, or adulterated or not.
Yeah, that was my next question, which is coming. That people who cannot afford to get their milk tested at home, what can they do?
Actually, many tests are there to check the milk is adulterated or not at home. I am just giving two example. That is, you have to take 10 ml of milk, and you have to add 10 ml of water in it.
So equal amount of
equal
water.
amount of,
Okay.
And if it is leather formation occurs, that means you are sure that that milk has some detergent. Another interesting testing I am telling now, that is, it's a very easy testing. You have to take 2 to 3 ml of milk and add some water, and add 2 to 3 drops. You have to add tincture iodine.
Tincture iodine.
Okay. That is available in our home. If it becomes blue, that means you make sure that your milk is adulterated with starch.
Okay. Okay.
Just like that, many few testings are there. That's why FSSI has published one dart book for easiest applications of the home remedy testing, like that, for milk and different products.
Okay, okay. But the main adulterant of milk is water. We know that
Everybody knows.
Water is mixed with milk.
Yes.
So what is the danger of mixing water with milk?
Actually, this water decreases the nutritional quality of milk, and it promotes the microbiological growth. That is the main important thing.
So, Payal, I'm sure that it is not enough to just check the quality of milk at home to assure that it is safe to drink.
Yes, of course not.
So, what are the parameters that you are using in the labs to assure that the milk is safe and the quality is good?
Yes, it's a good question. Actually, at first, good quality milk has to be free from sediment, debris, free from off flavor, color, odor. And apart from the adulteration and quality parameter analysis, most important parameter is nowadays is toxic analysis or safety parameter analysis, like heavy metals, antibiotic, pesticides, aflatoxin M1, like that. And in our MSK laboratory, we have all the sophisticated equipment like ICP OES, ICP MS, LCMS, GCMS to do the all safety parameter analysis.
So, one last question to you. If the milk is pasteurized and then it is adulterant free, so can we be sure that it is safe to drink? Like you just said that it might have M1 aflatoxin or antibiotics. What is this?
Actually, basically, I am just sharing the few lines of what is before describing aflatoxin M1. I am just describing what is aflatoxins in 2 lines. Aflatoxins are mycotoxin. That is a group of naturally occurring toxins produced by mold, especially Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, that has adverse effect on human, animals, and crops. That may leads to illness and economic losses also. So actually aflatoxin M1 is the hydroxylated metabolites of aflatoxin B1 that can be found in milk and milk product that has been from milk and milk product obtained from that livestock that have been ingested by contaminated feed.
So can you make it a little bit more easy for our audience? Because this sounds a lot of technical.
Actually, crops that are contaminated with aflatoxin B1, if animals eating this, after eating all these things, and the milk can be contaminated with that aflatoxin B1 and converted into aflatoxin M1, and both aflatoxin B1 and M1 are carcinogenic and toxic also.
Okay, so you are saying that if animals are eating bad food, contaminated food, then their milk also
indirectly
becomes
we are contaminated.
So that was B1 and this is M1. So Payal, we are running out of time of this very interesting discussion. Before I say thank you to you and the audience, I would like to conclude this entire discussion in a nutshell. So what we are saying is that raw milk is not very safe for consumption. Yes. So first of all, it might have germs, which is removed through pasteurization. However, after pasteurization, it is still not safe.
Yeah.
So because it could be adulterated, which is intentional mixing of bad things, bad chemicals into the milk, or taking out valuable nutrients out of milk.
To make profit.
To make profit, yeah. So it is an illegal activity, basically.
Yes.
Because of these things, FSSAI has put some guidelines in place, and some parameters have been prescribed so that
both safety and chemicals.
Right.
Quality.
So that safety and quality can be assured.
Yes.
So from there, you have given us some good tips to figure out if the milk is adulterated. That can be done at home.
Or safe for human consumption.
Right. Which can be done at home. But then home tests are obviously not enough.
No.
So we have to go back to a competent laboratory where the entire thing can be tested with sophisticated machines, which obviously your labs have.
Yes.
And the milk can be totally safe for drinking.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
So thank you very much. Thank you, Payal, for being with us. And thank you, audience, for listening.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye.